As Biafrans raise up Biafran flag all over Biafra land, they say that the Nigeria army is running more army in Biafra land come in few days. They say it's going to be heavy battle, that all flag raised up in Biafra land must be bring down. This information is secret and I'm bringing it outside for you Biafrans to hear it with your own ear. My wonderful people, I'm going to show you the Biafra Igodomi Igodo in Edo State. Raise up a Biafra land and lower the Nigerian flag. Say today they are in United States of Biafra. I'm going to show you other videos. Stay tuned and watch the videos from beginning to end before we come back and continue.
Greetings, great Biafrans all over the world, friends of Biafra and lovers of freedom. My name is Amadi Ebakar Omorui, aka Biafran Seed, a loyal servant to the Biafra Republic government in exile and Biafra de facto government in homeland, led by His Excellency Mazi Simon Ekpanjoku. Today is the 29th day of November 2024. The Biafra people of Aba, Adoka, Afema Igodomigodo, Ahoda, Akpakip Uro, Alanso, Aludo, Anioma, Branem, Calabar, Ebonyi, Ebube, Eda, Enugu, Epei, Esan Igodomigodo, Ezani, Iden Igodomigodo, Idu Ibon, Igala, Igbani, Ika, Ikemba, Ikom, Ikumesia, Itai, Iwere, Ihuronha, Odumegu, Ogbia, Ogoja, Ohabwenyi, Ohuku, Okigwe, Omambala, Olu, Owere, Kwa, South Atlantic, Urobo Isoko. In this historic event, the 40th state of Biafra today marks the dawn of a new chapter, where every citizen stands tall under the banner of freedom and justice. So we, the nation of Biafra, lowers the flag of colonial Nigeria and Britain and put a complete end to subjugation as we raise the Biafra flag, united in our resolve for a future of peace and prosperity of Biafra. Biafra!
Biafra will hide you.
Aye, Biafra!
Biafra will hide you.
Aye, Biafra!
Biafra will hide you.
Aye, Biafra!
Biafra will hide you. Land of the rising sun, once we go. Land of the rising sun, we love and cherish. The love at home, land of our brave heroes. We must defend our life or we shall perish. We shall protect our heart from our foes. But if the prize is there for we obey, then let us die with a shed of tears. Head to be a consecrated nation. O Fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be a dedication. Spirit abroad, we can't take privilege. The way we stand. but in the free shall always be a flag of liberty.
This is happening live in Edo State, and as you can see, the Biafrans are ready to go, and that is why we are trying as much as possible. We are trying our best. Our PM is also trying his best for us to leave this zoological country called Nigeria. We are tired of living in a country where there is no equality, where nobody is comfortable. When you do anyhow, you'll be arrested. We are tired of being in that country. Today, we've decided that the flag of the oppressor must be brought down, which is, as we are lowering the flag of the oppressor, it is not just in symbol, but it is in essence rejecting tyranny and oppression. We are tired of the oppression. Imagine, how can someone be living in a country and then the citizen will be oppressed? We are tired of such country. Everybody is equal to the law. So we are tired. In order for us to stop all this menace and everything happening around us, we have to go. We have to leave. And this is just to mark an end to that. So this flag falls as a testament to the end of the era marked by fear and control. Down with the banner of suppression. Let it never rise again. As the flag of Nigeria, which it is not Nigeria, as the flag of the zoo is falling down, let it never rise again. It is marking the end of suppression. We can never be suppressed. Nothing can ever suppress Dunu Chineke. As this flag descends, so do the chains of our past. Nothing shall ever stop us. The chain of our past has fallen. Today, we bury not just cloth. We do not bury cloth. We bury more than that. We bury an ideology of subjugation. Not only that, as we are bringing down the flag of the Nigerians, being the flag of the zoological country, we have decided that it shall never rise again, and nothing shall ever bring it high. Nothing ever on earth. We the Biafrans say no, it can never be risen up again. Today, as the flag of freedom is being raised, it shall never fall. Let it wait for peace. Let this flag rise high as a beacon of liberty and justice for all. As is risen, nothing shall bring it down. As is risen, nothing shall ever make it fall. As it is risen, nothing shall, no man, no Jupiter on earth can ever bring it down. Nothing can ever bring it low again. In the name of freedom, we bring up this flag. Let it wave for peace and prosperity. As it is waving up high, so it is waving for peace. As it is waving up high, so it is waving for prosperity, and nothing shall ever bring it down. The flag ascends with our hopes, dreams, and the promise of a new beginning. As this flag has risen, it is a new beginning for all. It is a new beginning for the Biafrans. It is a new beginning for Umuigbo. The people that are being hated, the people that are hated by the Hausas, the Yorubas, the Fulanis, it is a new beginning for us. Let them come and see us. Let them come and see what our destiny is going to become, what is going to turn to. To the future, we host this emblem of freedom, unity, and resilience. We are raising this flag. It is for unity. It is for resilience. And nothing shall ever stop that unity. We are tired of being in a country where nobody is united. Nobody is brother to each other. Whenever you see anybody, it look as if you see your enemy. In fact, it's not even you see your enemy. Nobody is anybody's enemy. In this stupid country we find ourselves in. With this flag, we declare our independence, our commitment to equality. We are already rejoicing because our independence has come to be. We are only waiting for the 2nd of December so that everything will burst out boom. So that we will rejoice together. And nothing shall ever stop that. On the 2nd of December, everybody is going. And we are going to be happy for that. Yes. And not only that, we pray and we know that our PM, Simon Ekpa, that God will hold him strongly and nothing shall stop that. On the 2nd of December, we are ready to declare our independence, and then on that day also, we will be declared as a sovereign state, and nothing shall stop that. On that day, the country, being the Biafran country, it shall stand, and then it shall rise, and then unity shall reign, justice shall reign, no more corruption, nothing shall stop us, nothing shall stop this country any longer. In Chiko Kike Abiama's name, I pray.
Biafra flag flying very high. I was very happy when I saw this thing. Wow.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it is hot. Don't forget to see for Balabas G's.